What's up guys, in this video you are going to learn the ideal YouTube thumbnail size. I'm Andy, you're watching Learn How, and first I want to give a shout out to Erica. Erica, thank you so much for leaving a comment on one of my videos. It really means a lot to me. Make sure you guys are liking and commenting on my videos because I'm giving out an Amazon gift card every week to a lucky winner, someone who is supporting me. By commenting on my videos, I'm going to support you with a free Amazon gift card. Let's get to the topic of this video, the ideal YouTube thumbnail size. I'm also going to show you really quickly how to make your image the ideal YouTube thumbnail size. So to answer the question, the best size for a thumbnail for your YouTube video, as stated by YouTube, is 1280 by 720. This is also the same size of a 720 video. Now, why is having a good YouTube thumbnail important? The YouTube thumbnail is what catches people's attention. It's the reason they click on your video. Yeah, the title does help, but the thumbnail is what grabs their attention so that they actually end up clicking on it. So yeah, it is important to have a good YouTube thumbnail. It's important to have a clear thumbnail, not a fuzzy or blurry one or one that's hard to see. You want a good quality image. So why does the size matter? Well, first of all, you can't have a YouTube thumbnail that's massive because it has to be less than 2 megabytes. Otherwise, you can't upload it as a thumbnail. And you don't want it too small because then it's gonna be fuzzy and blurry. And if people see a fuzzy or blurry thumbnail, they're not gonna click on it because it's probably gonna be a fuzzy or blurry video, or at least in their minds. So the best size for your YouTube thumbnail is 1280 by 720. Let me show you a really easy way you can make sure that your YouTube thumbnail is 1280 by 720. And in this example, I'm gonna use Photoshop, but you could use any other photo editing software. There's a lot of free ones out there you can use too. But this is how I would do this with Photoshop. In Photoshop, I would create a new canvas and I would make it the exact size I'm looking for. So I would make it 1280 by 720. Now I would use 300 as the resolution and I would say create. That right there is the ideal YouTube thumbnail size as stated by YouTube themselves. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to open up my image. So if I have my thumbnail image downloaded here, I'm going to just simply open it in Photoshop. Let me just find just a random image here for you. If I can find one here really quickly. Here's just a random image. Okay, some dollar bills. What I'm gonna do is I'm just going to select the entire image, copy it, and paste it on this image. Now you'll see here that it's not 1280 by 720, it's massive. So if I zoom out, you can see how massive my image is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna select it and scale it down to the proper size. Then I can kind of move it around so it kind of fills my frame how I like it, and press enter, and now I'm done. Now I'm ensuring that my image is 1280 by 720 because I'm pasting it in this new canvas. Then I'm gonna simply export as. I'm gonna save it as a JPEG because I can make it a smaller file size. You'll see here that it's 917 kilobytes. That's less than 2 megabytes, so we're good to go there with that image. And then I could just export it and upload it as a YouTube thumbnail. I do recommend you use a JPEG format for your YouTube thumbnails. You can use, I think, some other formats, but JPEG is gonna be the best quality with the lowest file storage taken up, I guess. Yeah, just use JPEG, it's easy. And make sure it's less than 2 megabytes, 1280 by 720, and you are good to go. All right, guys, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button for me. Leave me a comment if you liked this video and learned something new for a chance to win an Amazon gift card. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. I really appreciate it. Hope to see you guys soon on my YouTube channel. I'm Andy, you're watching Learn How. We'll see you in the next video.